Hey guys, I am super excited to share with you the progress that we are making on the journal that I'll be launching in digital format, so for a tablet in the fall and then in hard copy at the end of the year. It's a 100-day journal, and I have used this process over, it must be, I've done it 4 times now, so over a year plus another quarter just about. And I will tell you, it has made a huge difference for me, and I've changed it as I've gone through the journaling process quite a bit, and just super excited to share it with you. So I'll tell you a little bit about why it works. The 100-day journaling process, we start with 3 big goals that we want to achieve over the 100 days. And there's a morning journaling exercise, takes about 10-15 minutes, and then an evening journaling exercise, again, takes about 10 or 15 minutes. So at the beginning of every 100 days, you start with the 3 goals that you want to achieve by the end of the journaling. And we start every morning with 3 things I'm grateful for, what my mantra is going to be for the day. We repeat every morning, these 3 things are going to happen at the end of the 100 days. And the thing that I love about it is it's countdown. So you've got day 1, day 2, day 3. So like on day 3, it says, this is day 3. And in 97 days, these amazing things will have happened. So you really have that countdown as you work your way through the journal. And underneath the big 3 things, you list the 3 things that you're going to focus on that day that are going to help you achieve your goals. And then under that, you list the tactics, so the things you're actually going to do, the baby steps. Because we get so wrapped up in, oh my gosh, this goal is so big, it's hard to take a step back and say, yeah, but what can I do today? So you can then self-guide, what are those baby steps? And then in the evening, you talk about the things that made your day great, just 3 quick things that you write down, how you're gonna make tomorrow better, and then you rate yourself in just a couple of areas on how you did that day. You'll decide what those are. And then there's a section at the bottom, a Dear Diary section, where you just journal about how your day went. And I will tell you, I've been doing this for over a year, and it has made a huge difference in the progress that I make. Now, do I always achieve my big 3 goals? No. But I will say this, I always make significant progress, way more progress than I would have made if I wasn't doing the journaling. And right now I'm handwriting everything, and that is very time consuming. I use a blank journal and I handwrite. And I've had so many people ask me for copies of my pages, or ask me how I get things done, and this is how I get things done. So we're creating the product, Janice and I, my executive assistant, and we are launching the digital version at the end of fall. So if you are interested, there is a link in this email. Let me know that you want to get on the wait list, and so I'll send you little videos letting you know how we're doing. We're going to ask for some feedback from that community on colors and style and things like that, and then you'll get some special pricing as well as we are ready to roll it out. The digital version will be a nice kind of a pilot, right, to see what works, what doesn't work, what feedback you have for us on how to make it better, and then we'll launch the hard copy at the end of the year. And I'm so excited about that because I know that it works. I've been using it, and it has made a huge difference in my life. And I will tell you, it feels pretty darn good at the end of each day when one of the questions in the evening journaling is, am I closer to my goals and dreams today than I was yesterday? Yes or no? And doggone it, it feels really good to click the yes button. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll be back in video format to chat with you next Wednesday. And be sure to click on the link below and sign up if you're interested in learning more about the journal as we create it and launch it. Hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.